Chapter 1. The Sneezening. Captain Elias Carter of the Terran Starfarer had seen some weird things in his years exploring the galaxy. Sentient gas clouds, planets made entirely of chocolate, a personal favorite, and even a species that communicated exclusively through interpretive dance. But this was new. He had been invited as an honored guest to the royal court of the Lithian matriarchy, a civilization of stunningly beautiful humanoid aliens with iridescent skin and eyes like liquid starlight. The Lithians were known for their elegance, their advanced biotechnology, and their unusual reproductive methods. Elias had been warned not to touch anything, not to eat anything without permission, and especially not to sneeze. Too bad his allergies didn't get the memo. As he stood before the three high priestesses, tall, regal, and radiating an otherworldly glow, his nose twitched. He tried to hold it back. He really did. But space dust was a cruel mistress. Achoo! The sound echoed through the grand hall. Silence. The three priestesses gasped in unison, clutching their stomachs. Their skin pulsed with sudden bioluminescence, shifting from soft blues to deep, vibrant purples. Their eyes widened in shock. By the eternal egg, the eldest whispered. Elias blinked. Ah, bless me. The middle priestess swayed, her voice trembling. No human. Bless us. You have impregnated us. Elias choked. What? Chapter 2. Biological Warfare of the Heart. As it turned out, Lithians reproduced through genetic exchange via airborne particles. A sneeze, especially from a species as biologically potent as humans, was basically a shotgun blast of romance in their culture. Elias had just become the first human in history to accidentally father triplets with an alien royal bloodline. The High Matriarch was thrilled. This is a sign, she declared. The Terrans are the perfect genetic partners we have been searching for. Their immune systems are legendary. Their DNA adaptable beyond reason. Our children shall be unstoppable. Elias, meanwhile, was having a crisis. I'm not ready to be a dad, let alone an alien dad. But the Lithians weren't taking no for an answer. Chapter 3. The Great Escape Attempt. Elias did what any reasonable, panicking human would do. He ran. He bolted for his ship, the Starfarer, with a squad of very enthusiastic, very pregnant alien warrior women hot on his heels. Beloved, do not flee. Our children require your genetic resilience. One cried. I left the oven on Earth. Elias lied, diving into his cockpit. He punched the engines, leaving the Lithian homeworld in his dust. But the matriarchy had resources. Soon, every bounty hunter, matchmaker, and overly invested alien grandma in the sector was after him. Chapter 4. The Trial by Combat of Love. Captured again, Elias was brought before the High Matriarch. You cannot deny destiny, human, she said. Your sneeze was divine intervention. Elias sighed. Look, I'm flattered, really. But I can't just. Then prove your worth, the youngest priestess interrupted. If you defeat our champion in ritual combat, you may leave. Not you stay. Forever. Elias swallowed. Define combat. Turns out Lithian combat was less fighting and more extreme parenting challenges. He had to change a bioengineered, acid-spitting baby's diaper, sing a lullaby to a swarm of telepathic larvae, endure a 48-hour marathon of alien baby reality holovision. Somehow he survived. Chapter 5. The Unexpected Happy Ending. Exhausted but victorious, Elias stood before the matriarch. I did it. Now let me go." The priestesses exchanged glances. Then they smiled. "Very well," the eldest said. "But know this. Our children will inherit your strength, your wit, and your sneeze reflexes. They will find you one day." Elias groaned. "Great. I'm gonna be hunted by my own half-alien kids." As he boarded his ship, the youngest priestess called out, "Wait. One last thing." She tossed him a small vial. "Our sneeze resistance serum. So you don't accidentally father another empire." Elias stared at it. Then he chuckled. "HumanityFYeah," he muttered before blasting off into the stars.